Can someone explain to me how just by using this text, I can make this video out of nowhere?
Are you still using the same old thing as always? Welcome to 2026. This unboxing from aidotha Labs is...
It creates pipelines of covers from scratch at any scale. It sets up a scene and makes the video.
In this busy city, the noise always seems to win.
Just by telling it to analyze my competition, make a 60-second ad, and that I need 3 thumbnails and tips for uploading it to my different social networks. It creates landing page ads for you so you can start making money today with skills you automate in a moment. And Supercomputer is your best friend from today on. So here we are right now. As you've just seen for yourself, we're currently in Excel and we're talking about AI agents on a whole other level entirely. Because this isn't just a simple video generator or an image or text to video tool or anything like that. I'm going to show you a specific way to create some very powerful workflows exactly like this one. So let's get started. And so our journey begins. Paul, what exactly are we creating today? Well, in this particular case, let's say I wanted to create a comprehensive TikTok marketing campaign for my new sneaker brand. We have the specific model we want to use as the primary orchestrator for this task. We also have, of course, all kinds of engines. They're right here, even the most cutting-edge ones. And so what the supercomputer does is perform a complete market analysis for my brand, and then it tells me which strategy we're going to use and which one I want to start with. In this case, just to show you, let's make it a full UGC video for my brand, for my sneakers. And with just one click, it generates it for me. So less talking and let's get to action. Supercomputer has created the video for me. Of course, we wouldn't expect anything less. The video is already fully generated. How about we watch it and see what it managed to do with just one click? I want to remind you that I only entered one line. Create a sneaker brand for me, let it be aidotha Labs.
Are you still using the same old thing as always? Welcome to 2026. This aidotha Labs unboxing is on another level. Premium materials, retro basketball design, simply impeccable.
It's well done, right?
You're not just walking, you're walking differently. Step up your game with aidotha.
Did you see that impressive lip sync? All of this was generated based on a single prompt where we told it to create a marketing campaign for us. Specifically for a viral TikTok video for a completely imaginary product. It did everything in just one click with Hickfield's supercomputer engine. But this is only 5% of what I have to show you. Maybe it's still a bit early in the process, but later on in this video, you'll truly realize how this incredible tool helps me automate a ton of time. And it's going to help you out as well. Because if you remember, we were previously using ChatGPT for all the initial briefings. We were also spending time on Midjourney to get the photos. I was then animating everything with Runway, editing the final cut with CapCut, generating all the captions with Cloudy, and even doing some complex programming with Notion. And in the end, it's not that I have 6 tools, which, by the way, aren't bad at all, but they all lose context because you're jumping from platform to platform, and ultimately they all lose the context because they don't retain the memory of the main point you started from, since you split it into 6 sections. So you end up re-explaining everything. Your brand, the meaning, the context, 6 different times, not to mention paying for 6 different platforms and the time you waste and so on. The difference with Supercomputer is that it retains the memory of everything, the context, everything you've done so far, how it has worked, and how to improve it. You explain it once, and from then on, it keeps learning from you. You've seen how easy it is to understand how Hickfield works and how it adapts to your level in Supercomputer. In this case, we're going to open a session and enter something like, make me a 60-second ad for wireless headphones. Wireless, cinematic, dark, urban. I need the video, 3 thumbnails, and a caption for Instagram and TikTok. And we simply click generate since we don't need to worry about which specific engine to select. It will orchestrate absolutely everything by itself, and it will also suggest several different marketing campaigns we can run based on what we've just requested. Yes, sir. And to show you exactly what it does, it uses its internal skills, generates creative proposals regarding SEO and my text. Finally, the production comes to us as a question. It's brand voice. Do you prefer a deep voiceover? Music, a dark style, headphone location, making sure they are matte black, etc. So all you have to do is simply keep answering. Step by step, little by little. So it will keep requesting different generations, which use up credits that require our approval. We'll just need to keep clicking as we move forward with the project. In the end, it guides us through the whole process and acts as the orchestrator to make us competitive with the competition. In this case, which version of Leah do we prefer? Variant A or Variant C? Regeneration? Regarding the protagonist has generated 3 versions. The versions we have are located right here in this section. So, version A is working quite effectively for me. I want to make a recording of this specific part because while Hickfield is running, On the other hand, at the same time, the video is being rendered in VO 3.0, the thumbnails are being created in Seedream, the copy is being written by Claude, and all of this is being orchestrated from a single platform while we are running the process, and that's within Higgsfield. All at the same time, but in a single chat. And so you can see it visually, the visual content is being generated, while at the same time it's approving the thumbnails we've requested, specifying the style we wanted. It suggests to us that this is also happening in parallel, and I'm doing all of this with my hands in the air. So 2 minutes later, it had already generated everything I had asked for. In this specific case, we have these 3 different cover thumbnails right here. Well, actually now my camera is blocking them from view, but we would normally see them right here in several different formats for us to use. Additionally, we would also have all the necessary copy for social media, specifically tailored for both Instagram and TikTok platforms. That way, I can completely forget about it too. And of course, we also have the scenes, the 4 videos, the 60 seconds. So once everything is done with the themes for where the images would be, our character, our headphones, and the videos, it has generated a 60-second one for me. We click to watch or download, the window opens, and we get to enjoy it. It looks incredibly and impressively realistic. No, don't you think so?
In this city, the noise always seems to win.
She looks nervous. And I'm not going to show you the whole video, but honestly, when I make these kinds of scenes, I feel like I'm a film director or something like that. Very well done. Alright, now let's move on to a very interesting section. And that's because in Supercomputer, we have build with skills. What does that mean? This means we're going to be able to automate a vast number of different manual processes. Earlier today, I was rethinking how I manage my content because it previously meant separate exports and separate briefs, but here I can unify every part of my workflow using these skills. So let's create a brand new skill super quickly so you can see exactly how it's done, and you could easily create one yourself in no time, aside from all the ones you already have from the community. We're going to create one right here in the chat, and just like that, with a simple command, our skill is ready to go. Let's use it. It will generate a high-quality thumbnail entirely from the title, write 3 short hook forms for the video, a carousel for Instagram, and even a weekly content calendar. All of that is happening through my skill, just as you're seeing right now on the screen. And here we have the thumbnail, the final part of our skill, and all of this was generated just from my initial video idea text. It's already done. From now on, these are repetitive tasks that I can completely forget about. And it's a skill I want to highlight because I just type /weekly content topic and tell it what I want to talk about. And that's it. From now on, it will always generate a thumbnail for me. It will also create the short forms, both for TikToks and Reels. It will make a carousel with 5 Instagram slides, and it will also create all the hooks and the weekly calendar posts. And so, by using this specific skill, I can fully automate a task, which is to scan for the latest trends within my particular niche of artificial intelligence, and then deliver all of that information to me in a concise brief on Notion every single morning at exactly 8 o'clock. So, just by utilizing that one skill, every morning at 8, I receive fresh AI content about the things that are trending right now, from which I can then generate new videos. I could even reuse the previous skill and create entire videos with just the specific keyword it provides me, which is the one searched for on that very same day. You are going to connect Highfield directly with your own account, so once Notion is connected correctly, it will be as easy as simply telling it to list everything right here. Then every morning I will receive the full comprehensive report here automatically. It is totally and completely automated. Tomorrow morning we will get our very first report at 8 o'clock. It is super simple. Another really cool and incredibly interesting thing we have inside Supercomputers is that we can perform complete product launches. In this particular case, this isn't even a complex prompt. I just typed it out manually with the keyboard. Launch a digital product, make me a professional landing page, 3 different ad creatives with various angles, a 30-second video script, and a sequence of 3 launch emails. Easy. And that is exactly what I'm saying. Most other tools only know how to do one single thing. In the end, with Supercomputers, I feel totally efficient and fully capable of carrying out any task or whatever happens to be in my head to produce or create, like, for example, productivity tools, SaaS, cinematic content, and the product itself. And well, it has already generated what would be the landing page in a professional design. Here is all the HTML code, and now we are going to see the website, but also the video script, which we will look at too. And we have the sequence of 3 launch emails, we have the images, and it is a prompt about what the landing page is about that we are talking about right now, which is exactly what I requested. 3 images, And here we have the email sequences. That means the one that goes out to spark curiosity before the website is launched. Then we have the one announcing it's now available, and finally the offer closing email. And that's because here we have our landing page where people, right where my camera is now, will be able to start subscribing, and that way I'll be able to collect emails. They'll be able to register their email. Then we automatically send them the email. When the website goes live and we can start getting signups, and here we already have the video for our landing page.
That right there is truly spectacular.
And something extremely interesting is that it has all the engines built in here. Flux, Dogs, Groggy, Magic, and we don't need to tell it which engine to use. It knows how to identify which one is best for the task you're asking it to do. Obviously, it has the best ones. Kling, Seedance, VO 3.0, Minimax, Havliol 1.2.7, which is one of the latest. And in the end, everything is handled by the orchestrator. In this case, we're using Gemini, but it could be Cloud 4.7. It could also be Gemini 3.5 Flash. We could use GPT 5.5 Pro, etc. And since we're at this point, let me tell you that you have an amazing discount on both the Plus, the Ultra, and the Business plans. For me, the best one right now is the Ultra, mainly because you're going to see in Odyssey absolutely everything that it is currently offering right now, and above all, access to Cloud Opus 4.7 among many other features. Of course, you'll find all of that located right down below in the video description section, because in the end, Gil is a platform that's much more than what I've shown you today in the video with the Supercomputer. It's truly a complete all-in-one solution. You'll be able to do everything you need. It has a massive variety of different tools, so you never have to leave the platform, and believe me when I tell you, when I showed you those plans, it's because you simply will not have any need for other external tools or other subscription plans. Hixfield solves everything for you, absolutely everything. And I'm going to give you my honest personal opinion about this application that I've been using for a while. I honestly have to tell you it's one of the very few, if not the absolute first, that I truly think deserves the label of all-in-one. And this brand new addition we've been looking at today, this remarkable tool, I've only been able to show you about 50% of what it can actually do, or maybe not even that much, because its total capabilities are simply and truly endless. And if at any point you feel like I'm exaggerating, please scroll down and try it yourself. Then come back to the comments and tell me it's not true, because I can absolutely assure you, you will be completely and utterly wrong. In the end, I think, and this is a very sincere opinion, sometimes we fall in love with a specific tool or just one in particular, and then we don't know how to transition away from it, nor do we give various other innovative options a fair chance to show themselves, to try them out, or to test them properly. We get stuck with just one and that's it. And I think we should stop doing that completely, because then brands come along making incredible tools like Geese, and with this one, for example, with Supercomputer, which is the one I've been able to test for the longest time, it truly blows your mind with its capabilities. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next Soy Dotum. Bye bye.